Anyway, welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. We're gonna be pulling this tow. I got 4 cars on this little stretch here, but I gotta pull this one here. This CRV's got a 2019. There's a black Terrain, a silver Maxima. There's a red Camaro up there too. We got 4 or 5 cars just in this little section right here. This is the property we just took over. Anyway, we can't be talking. I gotta go ahead and load and get out of here. This Terrain, I believe, is all-wheel drive. We get out and check this Terrain, see if it's all-wheel. If it's not all-wheel, I'll go ahead and get it on the wheel lift. Yeah, that tag right there don't work. That's a vet. He got a new tag on it. That was fixed. Cadillac's fixed. Just assume go ahead and get this car to the lot, come back over here and get another one. But that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna sign out and get on. We're back rolling in over here to the same property. We got one more here. It's got a flat tire, expired tag. I think it's a Michigan or it's Illinois, one of the two plate. Looks like that's a Michigan. Yeah, that one's got to get loaded, so we're gonna back up and load it and get signed out and get out of here. It's kind of a tight pull, but I'm pretty sure we can get it. Yeah.
I'm moving in now. I'm moving in. I thought I was trying to see was you finna grab this blue one or something. That's mine.
No, I'm just, here's the one I'm getting. Get the one with the flat and the expired tag. Okay. Yeah, it's got a July tag.
Okay.
Matter of fact, July 20, no, that's a 20. Oh shit.
I already talked to the office. Only reason they ain't got no tag on it is because it's getting ready to go in the shop. They supposed to pick it up. AAA supposed to be picking it up.
The office didn't tell me nothing.
Well, you ain't
the office told me to take it.
No, ain't no tag on it. You ain't taking my car.
The tag's on the ground where you threw it on the ground right there.
No, I did not throw anything on it.
Somebody did.
Well, you're not taking my car.
Yeah. I hate to tell you, I'm hooked to it.
You're not taking my car.
You have to pay the drop fee.
I'm not paying. What's the drop fee?
It's $100.
I'm not paying the drop fee. You better talk to the office. I've
already.
The office and talk to them about my car.
When?
I talked to them the other Monday.
Yeah.
You better think about taking this Honda before you think about taking that Cadillac.
Hey, the Honda's good, bro.
How the Honda good?
Hey, it ain't got no day. It ain't nothing wrong with it.
It ain't. They sitting on the jack.
Huh?
Tire's not sitting on the jet.
Well, the tire was flat, is what it said.
That's all that's wrong
Yeah.
with this one is the tire flat.
Yeah.
What's wrong with it?
I just told what the property tells me to tow. It ain't got. I don't pick cars up, pick cars out. I told what they tell me to tow.
Yeah, but it ain't getting told though.
Yeah. Okay. All right. We're gonna find out. Yeah.
You better call the office.
Okay. Hey, you need to call the office because I'm the one that's hooked to it.
Yeah, that's fine, but it ain't going
Yeah.
nowhere.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
I'm just gonna unhook it, you feel me?
Hey, listen, don't let that cable cut you because it's frayed real bad.
I ain't worried about it.
Yeah, I tell you what, man. Come on, man. Come on, bro. Come on, man. Why you want to do that, man? Why you want to do that, man? You know what I'm saying? Listen, hey, I'm telling you. The property sent me here, bro. Hey, the property sent me here. Okay, well, listen, respect what I do because this is the property has me come here to tow.
Though. You hear me?
Yeah.
You feel me?
I'm listening, bro.
Here,
Yeah, listen, hey, I'm listening.
There's a lot of cars around here.
Yeah,
You feel me?
listen, the property told me to tow these cars.
It's a lot of cars.
And that's what I do.
Go find another one. Ain't no sticker on this one.
Yeah, that's because the sticker's on the ground.
Where? Where?
Hey, there's some maintenance guys right here. Talk to the maintenance guy. If the maintenance guys tell me not to tow it,
you talk to them.
it's up to them.
I'm not talking to them. You talk to them.
Yeah.
That's what you do. You talk to them. You feel me?
Yeah.
You talk to them. You ain't got to talk to me.
Hey, she
You
talked to the
them.
office.
Talk to them. Don't talk to me. You feel me?
Yeah. You find out if she talked to the office for real.
It don't matter. Go
Okay.
tow another car though. You feel me?
Listen, man, come on, bro. Come on, man. I ain't coming like nobody like nothing, man. Hey, I've been respectful.
You holler at one of them.
I've
though.
been
You talk to one of
respectful,
them.
dude.
You just talk to one of them. That's all you gotta do.
Yeah.
You towed my car earlier too? You work out here?
Listen, we got 2 or 3 drivers that towed here.
One of them though.
I'm about to spaz out.
Yeah. Hey, let me call this maintenance guy.
That's what I said.
Yeah.
No,
Listen, man.
no, I'm about to fucking go crazy out here. Because I know when people are fucking
Nah, she talked to the officer.
She called up there?
Yeah, she
Okay.
talked
Well,
to the
she's getting dropped, but
And y'all
all the
told
drama,
my shit.
and I try to explain to them, I tow for the property. I don't tow for me. I tow because
I'm
y'all
not
called me to
paying
tow.
$200 for
That's
no
just
fucking
it.
reason. So somebody
Yeah.
need to run my
Okay.
Where you guys located?
Hey, the number's on the door.
Yeah, but because
Hey, listen, he verified it, so you're good.
Yeah.
But listen, what happened? They didn't notate my list.
Okay, let me
And
explain.
I didn't disrespect you at all. I don't
Because
disrespect
because
nobody.
it's from
I didn't
Michigan.
disrespect anybody. That's not how I do it.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I'm out here on the street. I ain't out here trying to be no bohawk. I tow cars. I do that. That's what I do.
Disrespectful when you pull whatever. You put
No,
in your
man, it's a
pocket,
taser, bro.
respect, though.
Well, I ain't worried about it. Hey, listen, I don't care, man. That's what I do, huh? Yeah, yeah. Hey, that way, that way, if something happens, and can't blame me, bro. You know what I'm saying? I didn't disrespect him or you. I was
No, you didn't
respectful.
disrespect me.
Listen, I treat people. Hey, I treat people fair.
But see,
I do a hard job and I treat people
And I
respectfully.
understand that.
I never even got mad or raised my voice at you.
right, I didn't say you
You
did,
know
but what I'm saying is I talked to the office. Because I got
Yeah.
that gray Cadillac over there, they put a tag on that one,
Yeah.
and they put a tag on this
Yeah.
one. I went, okay, we
Yeah.
got that one taken care
Yeah.
of, but because this
Yeah.
one is from
Yeah.
Michigan,
Yeah.
we waiting on the title, and the car won't start.
That's fine. That's fine. Hey, and
Okay.
I understand that. Listen, I understand that. And I didn't try to winch you up.
Right.
None of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? I didn't
got him.
disrespect.
I got
Hey,
him.
you go tell him I'm respectful about how I
got
do it.
him.
I don't
I
treat
got
people any kind of way. I treat people fair. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
He's the one. He got mad for no reason. That's how it goes. Old dude want to come out there and get all loud, act like I ain't gonna tow somebody's car, and I tried to unhook it until I winched the cable down. Anyway, long story short, the gentleman that walked up to me actually worked for the office. He signed the last ticket I just towed. And he told me the lady with the Cadillac talked to the office, so I can't go against him in regards to where I was hooked. This is a new property. We got 7 cars out of here, and that's the way it goes. You don't go against the property. People that work for the property. If you do, you're gonna have problems. That's just how it is. And here's the guy in the office riding back by. He just rolled by. That's the guy that told me That's the office personnel that told me not to tow it. But anyway, anytime you got a group of people, to come out, and there's 4 or 5 people, and you got a lot of people around, if you get hit, that it ain't gonna be pretty. You got 4 or 5 people, you can't win. You ain't gonna beat 4 or 5 people. There's no way you're gonna win. Anyway, that's the way it goes. I guess I'm kind of glad that the maintenance guy was actually around, because I don't know which way that would have went if he wouldn't have been around, because I wasn't fixing to drop that car. I was not getting ready to drop that car. Anyway, that's the way it goes. That's the last one on this property I know of. All right, we're gonna call in real quick.